Here we'll take a deeper dive into the comprehensive product portfolio of Profil and Atlas fasteners and how they are used in battery trays for electric vehicles. Extrusion C-shape stamping. Closed extrusion. Thin aluminum stamped panel. Closed extrusion. Thick aluminum extrusion. The CLS compression limiter fastener. The SBF rivet stud. The NBR rivet stud. The MHN rivet nut. The R&D rivet nut. The CS pierce form stud. The RSN nut. The SBF LP rivet stud. The blind rivet stud. And the blind rivet nut.